my father also was part of a group called the Yiddish Kultur Club. Mm-hmm. And again, it was a group of men who got together, I think maybe it was something like once a month on a Sunday morning, usually in the Dorchester, Mattapan area. We lived in Malden, so it was a little bit of a schlep. And sometimes my father would take me with him. This maybe was when I was 12, 13 years old, maybe. So that's how I know at least what those meetings were like. They were all held in Yiddish, of course. And they usually had some well-known Yiddish journalist,
I think you
writer,
mentioned Chaim Greenberg.
Chaim Greenberg. He was the editor. I think there was a journal called Zukunft, right? But there were people of that sort who would come. How many men showed up? I don't know, but I would guess it was somewhere around 20. I mean, it wasn't a small group. It wasn't a huge group. And they would meet in the Workman's Circle Center in Dorchester or Roxbury, someplace on Blue Hill Avenue. And I was probably the only young one there. And why my father thought to take me, why I wanted to go, I really don't know. I've wondered about it, in the occasional times when I've even thought to think about it. Yeah. But I think it's a wonderful thing to have happened.